Hey, I'm going to take you through a new listing of ours today that is really special and really unique. So special, in fact, that this early Californian home that you see in the background, it's 93 years old and it has not been on the market in 75 years. Now, every house has a story, and the story on this house is pretty interesting. It was originally built by a family named the Rankin family. They used to own department stores here in Orange County. Some have been turned into historical buildings in downtown Santa Ana. But after that, the property sold one time on the market 75 years ago, and it's only exchanged hands privately since then. Now, the good news here is the last two people that have owned this property prior to this owner, one was one of the premier landscapers in Orange County, and the second one works with all the top home builders in Orange County. So in terms of the upgrades that have been done here, everything's been done really high quality, really well. There's no old electrical, old plumbing, everything's been renovated. So the property could be up to 6,000 square feet under roof. It currently lives around 4,150 square feet, and there's another 560 square foot casita that we'll show you as well. So let's start by going through the yard and on our way to the house. Okay, so what I want you to notice when you're looking at this property is look at all the mature vegetation in this property. Look at all the mature trees here. I mean, these trees are like 75 to 100-year-old trees, some of these trees, right? Now, off to this side, what you're gonna see is a nice large area, probably bigger than a quarter-acre lot, that if somebody really wanted to build a new guest quarters or ADU by today's standards, that could be done very easily. As a matter of fact, there is a separate gate down on that side of the lot. I mean, you could park an RV, you could park cars. Off to this side, we're approaching the first of the garages, okay? And this garage also has the guest casita above it with its own kitchen, which you will see. So off to this area here, you've got a nice big courtyard entry for the drive to be able to turn around. Works really, really well, and you can see how impressive this house is. The more I come to this house, the better it gets. I mean, you just don't get to see properties like this. And obviously, like I said, you haven't been able to see this one in 75 years, right? So, continuing on, you will see straight ahead here that there's another garage back here, which they use for storage and kind of a game room, and then the carport in front of it is another separate area. There's almost 900 square feet down there that could easily be enclosed into additional space. And there's another room in the house that you won't see that's being used as storage that could be enclosed into the house. There's probably another additional 300 square feet if you want to make a audio-visual room, right? The theater room, because it's just pitch black in there. But either way, you could get this house up to 6,000 square feet fairly quickly. So off to my right here, this is where you have a 470 square foot pavilion, outdoor kitchen and entertaining area. And the views from this house, once you get up on these decks, are amazing. They can see from Catalina, Newport Beach, Fashion Island, all the way over to like Anaheim Stadium, 4th of July fireworks at Disneyland, all that. So you got nice sweeping big views. And there's more yard behind the house. Now, don't be intimidated by these stairs, because this house also has a 3-level elevator, okay? And most of the living in this house is really just done in 2 levels. Okay, so now I want you to go upstairs and enjoy the video tour. So what did you think? Pretty special, isn't it? Nothing like it. You're never gonna see anything like it because it's one of a kind. How about that view from the master bedroom? Was that amazing? Can you imagine 4th of July fireworks here? It's crazy. You can see the whole area. See about 25 fireworks shows going off at one time. Anyway, fun house, great house, rare opportunity. Come on by, let's take a look at it and see if it's for you. Thanks.